So I know you're leading a master class here in mid-November. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Yeah, it's a half day session. The class size is limited to six because we're going to go deep diving on this, but they're
Okay.
going to come away with all five elements: the brand promise, the psychographic profile, the marketing message, sales scripts, and the bundling and pricing for their business.
And this is a hands-on workshop master class with you leading leading
I'll be leading
the course.
that session, and
Yeah.
in part they'll get the benefit of hearing other people's ideas on what's important in their business, and that may trigger additional learning for them in that process as well. Uh,
Outstanding. When's the class going to take place?
November 13th, 8 to noon, and it's at Thriveco in Chesterfield.
Well, fantastic. How would people learn more about that if they wanted to get more details or figure out how to sign
Yeah,
up?
they can go to my website, cuttingedge-business.com, and then click on the masterclass tab, and it'll have details about what each of those five elements entail and what they're going to get out of it. And there is going to be a time period after the class where they'll be able to email or call and get implementation questions answered, because I want people to have that as well. There are always questions that come up after you embark on something new, and I want to make sure they get the answers to those questions.
Outstanding.